The posture is creating a spinal deformity. This is becoming very problem. And what happens is, on top of it, you may all think that I've given this sign of alert or a caution that all healthy individuals will go through a spine disorder. If you can say that I am maintaining a proper posture, spinal posture, and I don't get into this problem, I would not get a spinal deformity because I maintain a very perfect posture. I restrict using this electronic edges. Even then, you will get into spinal defects, spinal deformity. How? The second point is vitamin D. See, now in the modern world, vitamin D is we get vitamin D naturally from the sunlight. India is having sunlight throughout the year. But if you understand one thing, the Indians have the highest number of population with vitamin D deficiency. Can you believe this? This is what happening. So vitamin D is though synthesized from the sunlight naturally. How many of us are getting exposed to sunlight in the morning hours or in the early evening hours? When we are working and we are traveling, we are covered. The body, how much of skin is exposed to vitamin D, sunlight? So naturally, we are getting deficiency to vitamin D. That vitamin D is the most important factor for the healthy spine, bone and the joints. See, we all must have gotten a mindset that the fundamental thing for the health of the bone and the joints is calcium. And it is getting abundantly in milk and milk products and vegetables and animal resources. How many of you know that vitamin D is equally important for calcium, for the health of the bone and the joints?